Hello there, here I am going to show you how to blur background more like a professional photographer. So let's get started. Here we need to copy the background layer twice by pressing Ctrl J. And here we have taken two copies of this background layer. On the top layer, we need to select the quick selection tool and select the subject here. You can select the subject by any other tools, but here I am taking quick selection tool. Now go to select and mask. You can go to select and mask from the select and select and mask. Just click here and give the view mode to overlay, and you can select the color of the overlay. Here I am selecting the red. It's just for the preview. So take the refine edge brush tool and brush over the edges. So we have done our refining edge. Now hit the OK button and now mask the selection from here. So here the selection is masked. Now we need to again select this. So hold Ctrl and click here. So again the mask is selected. Now uncheck this top layer and go to the second layer, and now go to select and modify and expand. Here we can expand around 15 pixels, and now we can go to edit and fill, and here give the content aware and hit OK. So here the subject is vanished. Now deselect it. We are seeing the rail line is got affected here. Now we can do something to make it better. Therefore I am taking the lasso tool and marking this part off from rail line. Now I am making it copy and press Ctrl T for the transform and turn it there. Just remove the edges from here. Again make copy of this layer and make it smaller. Now we can merge those three layers by selecting those three and make it to smart object. And now mark this top layer. And here I am going to filter and blur gallery and take the tilt shift, give a value here, now drag it So here we are done. So I'm hitting OK. As we are seeing, the selection is not perfect, therefore I am again going to mask and taking the brush tool, and foreground color will be black, and take the soft brush tool and give the opacity around 100% and brush over the edges. So here we are done. Now we can color grade this. Therefore I am merging all the layers by pressing Ctrl Alt Shift and E, and go to filter and convert it smart filter and open the camera raw filter. Now let's check the before and after of the photo. This is the initial photo and this is the photo after blurring the background. So this is all about today's tutorial. Thank you very much.